Hi, Peter Saul, information security consultant. Joined the training to learn a bit more around cybersecurity, detection response, and really get a more contemporary feel of that because I've been away from I've been doing more on the governance, security governance side. So this was a very, very interesting approach. Like the concept of the triangle and getting the 70% BAU automated so that we can focus more on the more complex and advanced attacking and working on getting out of the persistence. That was a newer concept that I hadn't had before. The trainer is very well experienced, and a good-looking bloke. So there you go. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Look forward to any other training that comes up, and we'll be going forward to do the exam. So thank you very much.